Today I'm going to demonstrate to you how to draw a face just using everyday things that you could easily remember. Today we just need a pen, eraser, HB pencil, and 2B pencil. Set that aside. Now I'll start with the HB pencil. First of all, draw 4 points. I want to make a rectangle. So the first shape we're looking at is a rectangle. Look for the midpoint in the rectangle. Join these dots at the top, join these dots at the bottom. Then you draw a line through the middle. Look for the midpoints here also. And draw a line down. Look for midpoints in this upper corner. Draw a line there. And the midpoint here, draw a line across. Now the shapes we're going to use today are basically the leaf. Practice drawing a leaf at the side. The middle leaf. You can also draw a leaf like this. A dash, a semicircle, and a semicircle. Another shape we're going to use today is the letter R, the letter J, the letter U. We're also going to use the number 1 or 11 to be precise. We're also going to use mirroring techniques to complete what we're doing. I also want you to look at some everyday objects like a wine glass. Look at B. Look at M. Stretched out M. Look at bowls. I could give it something. Then the last object I'd like you to think about is a circle in the shape of a pizza. Put the middle and give it some wedges. Cutting through, another circle. All this stuff drawn on the side are going to give us our final drawing here. So first of all, we're going to start with the leaves. We're going to draw 2 leaves. Before we start the 2 leaves, I'm going to look for midpoints here also and draw them down. Midpoints here, draw them down. This is going to mark a point going through the eye. This is going to mark a point going above the nostrils. This is another point going through the mouth. This midpoint, I want you to mark midpoints here also and draw this. So right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines here. More midpoints here, more midpoints here. So I'm going to name this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 midpoints. 2 more midpoints this sides. Then make them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 midpoints. Now, let's start with the lips. I want you to take point intersection 2 and 6. Mark a point here. And then 6 and 6. Draw a darker line through it. This one is a medical. I want you to draw a leaf. This is a rough sketch. Leaf. The leaf. I want you to draw another line inside the leaf. A smaller leaf inside the leaf. Just leave that as it is. Now, you see this point here? I want you to draw a U going through this point. A U. A U. Take it up. Take it up. U. Line 3 and 5. U. Now I want you to turn this into a wine glass. Draw it down here. Put 2 orange wedges, orange slices in there. Leave it as it is. I want you to take this as an arrow. Go in like that. Leave it as it is. I want you to do another line here. Another line here. Leave it as it is. It's going to transform shortly. Now I want you to take this U, the lines of U, and then touch 1. Touch 1. I want you to make from this corner, make an R to reach 7. Make another juxtaposing arrow to meet one. Leave it as it. Then this one here, I want you to make a leaf like this, and a leaf here, like this. And I want you to make this wedge here. Put it here. Put it here. I want you to make another line inside it. Go on. Go on. Good. Now this upper part, I want you to make a semicircle. Going like this. Semicircle. Going like this. Yeah. Now, we're going to erase some points. Darken some points. Expatiate on some points. And basically see how it goes. Now I want you to make this the eye. Make a piece of wedge. Cut it into 8 pieces. Good. Now the lower part, I want you to make the edges lines more. Lines more. Lines more. Now we'll need our eraser. Finish using a 2B. Okay, now let's complete with the edge. I want you to do the chin. Now this is a J. I want you to take a J. Take it like this. Curve it. And make it the opposite one too. Curve it. Eventually form something like a U. Then take it down a little. Beyond the scope of a rectangle. Make it a U. Make it a U. Make it a U. Take it up. Then over here, make a half circle here. At this point, I want you to put another half circle. Half circle. Sometimes you can take it like that's a 9. Opposite 9. I want to put a C here. Let's put C. Double the line. Double the line. Good. Make it curved a little. Make it good a little. Finish this up. 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 Now I'm taking my eraser. This lower part. Completely erase it. And this part too. Completely erase it. I remove this line. I don't see it. Remove this line totally. Finish. Smoothing this, smoothing this. I have the shape of our nose. You have the shape of our lips with the teeth showing. Remove the stalk of the leaf. Erase through. Erase through. When you're erasing something, make sure you hold down the paper properly. Don't just go chop 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 chop. Or you could tear the paper. Hold it firmly, like stretching it, making it turn the area you want to erase. Now, erase it, erase it, erase all the numbers away, erase them all. That's why we use HB pencil. So the HB pencil is much lighter than the 2B. Now I'm going to take 2B. After you erase this too, erase the upper part of the circle. Erase it off. This one too. Erase it off. So the piece of pizza, double it now. Double it. Yeah. Double it. Good. I'm going to take my 2B pencil. This upper part of the eye. I want to circle here. Circle here. This like the reflection from the photograph. Darken this. Darken this. Darken this. Darken this. And this middle iris, darken it also. This upper part. Make sure you avoid the reflection light. Darken it. And around it. Darken it too. Darken it too. Then I want you to the upper eyelid. Darken it. Make it really thick. Make it really thick. I need to nudge here where the tears come from. Now I want you to accentuate the nose shape with the half edge we put last time. Yeah. And I want you to take eyelid, which is the upper part of the leaf, darken it also. And this is the shape of the eyebrow. I want you to take it down a little bit more. And, this was an R. I want you to darken it. at it. Now the lips. Oh yeah. Now let's have this little notch in here. Yeah. But I want to take it a bit in. I want to do the shape of M. M here. Yeah. Good one. A little bit lower eyelid. Yeah. Good. In the ear. Let's see something. Now, you see this line here? That was 1. And the line here, that was 7. Let's draw it down. Now, that was neck. A little bit of J here. And juxtapose the J. Ooh, cute. Now, I want you to... If it's a guy, his lips could be like that. Even the edges of the lips. Just concentrate the lower part. This one. Okay. Yeah. I want you to make it on the edges of this one dark. Okay? And you could reduce the eyelid also. So, now you've done a man. Let's go into. A man has been drawn. So you see, we use all these shapes. We use the leaves R, J, U, 11, a wine goblet, a bowl, which is here. We use a B. We use a B here. Oops. In B or M. I use slice of orange or slice of pizza. We put it here. We put it in the eye. And the R, no, this R, what's this spot? The J, what's this spot? We had C. Okay, we also use C. No, and we also use 9. We use 6. We use inverted one. And we have a face. A face. If it's gonna be a woman, you can make the lips smaller. You could also remove the teeth, so he's not really a 2D person. You know, you can make it like this. You can make his mouth a bit smaller. And this is an African lip. Usually sumptuous. If it's gonna be wearing add eyelashes, the shape of the face is gonna go in a bit more. Add earrings, add more hair. Eyelashes, eyebrows, better defined, better shaped. Give it a sharper. Rather than U, we use V. Go through the lines. Lines. This used to be a bowl. This bowl was here. We'll go through the nose. Chunky nose. Well shaped. Nice nostrils. Africans. Like that in here. Yep. And its eye. A tear duct coming here. Eye showing here. Yeah. Hope it doesn't look too sleepy. You can make the eyelid a bit narrower so he doesn't look sleepy. Yeah. And the hairs on his eyebrows. Caterpillars. On the surface. Yep. Then 9 on the lips. Boom, 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 boom. Just having fun. Just going on like that. The eyelid. Yeah, there. And of course, striations in the eye. Oh yeah. I feel like his eyebrows will bushy out. Looking very nice, innocent guy. Handsome dude. Looking good. Yes. That's another eye notch. Nose notch.